Welcome to this guided meditation on loving kindness, also called Metta meditation. Loving kindness is one of the most beautiful meditation styles around. This practice is going to help you cultivate more compassion, peace, and kindness. And it will also help you practice forgiveness. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting, and just take a moment to align your spine and adjust your body to find the perfect position. If it feels good for you, close your eyes. Start to shift your attention to your breath, just watching your inhales flow into your exhales, and exhales back into your inhales. And as you watch the breath, you find that the body starts to naturally soften and relax. You can stay as you are, or choose to place one or both hands over your heart and begin to think of someone in your life who you have so much love and appreciation for. Someone who brings you so much joy. Someone who you feel truly grateful to know. And allow their image to slowly form in your mind. Let any feelings or emotions that begin to bubble up wash through your whole body. Amplify your gratitude and feelings of love for this person as you look at them and say, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved." Allow your words of kindness to flow out and touch this person. As you repeat, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved." Feel and see this other person receiving your kindness as you say, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved." Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Thank this person for all they have done for you, and allow their image to slowly fade away. As you begin to think of someone in your life who you recognize, but you don't know as well. Perhaps it could be someone that you pass on a commute to work, or someone who serves you at your local shop, or even the postman. Someone who you know, but you don't really know much about. As you look at them and say, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved." And allow your loving kindness to flow out and touch this person as you repeat, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved. Feel and see this other person receiving your loving kindness as you say with even more feeling, may you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be loved. Well done. Take a deep inhale and exhale fully, and allow the image to slowly fade away as we close this meditation with you. Having given loving kindness to those we love, those we don't know so well, and the people who we have more challenging relationships with, it's time to send the loving kindness back to yourself. As you say to yourself, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful, may I be loved, and just allow your loving kindness to flow back into yourself as you repeat, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful, may I be loved. Feel and see the power of your loving kindness as you say, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful, may I be loved. And just take a moment to soak up these feelings. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Allow your loving kindness meditation to fade away. Taking it nice and slow as you start to come back into the space that you are in. Bringing little movements back to your body. Blinking your eyes open. And just taking a moment to thank yourself for doing the work. It's not always easy, but it's incredibly powerful and transformative. Thank you for listening. Have an amazing day.